Heavy-duty aluminum-round Wolf handrails are perfect for indoor or outdoor installations where additional support is needed when heading up a couple of stairs in your home or a commercial ramp or staircase. Made of 100% aluminum alloy for superior strength and sporting a stylish, ultra-durable powder coat finish, this handrail is ready for years of use without the maintenance of repainting due to rust or wood rot. Wolf handrail's versatility allows for many different types of interior and exterior installations. The following steps may vary depending on your application. In this video, we will show you how to install the Wolf handrail with end caps. Let's start by ensuring you have the proper tools. Screw or impact gun, tape measure, drill bits, 3/16 inch wood, 5/32 inch metal, hex bit drivers, 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch, pencil, masking tape or painter's tape, safety glasses. On the ground, lay out the handrail and wall brackets to ensure you'll achieve your desired look and symmetry once the handrail is installed. For a safe installation, the handrail brackets must be anchored securely to the wood framing behind the drywall or plaster of an interior wall, no more than 6 feet apart. Using a pencil or masking tape, mark the center of the stud locations along the wall. To determine the bracket location on the wall, start at the low end of the handrail. Measure from the nose of your stair tread up the wall 29 inches or to your desired handrail height. Holding the wall bracket in place, make a pencil mark where the wall bracket fastener is to be installed into the stud. Now, loosely attach the lower bracket to the wall by first drilling a 3/16 inch pilot hole into the wall and center of the stud. Then secure it using the 5/16 inch by 2 inch wood lag screw provided in your kit. Next, set the handrail on the bottom bracket and angle the handrail to the desired placement. Holding the upper wall bracket in place, make a pencil mark where the wall bracket fastener is to be installed into the stud. Now, loosely attach the upper bracket to the wall by first drilling a 3/16 inch pilot hole into the wall and center of the stud. Then secure it using the 5/16 inch by 2 inch wood lag screw provided in your kit. Next, place the handrail on the wall brackets and mark the pilot hole locations for the lower bracket to attach to the handrail. Place the handrail on a gentle surface using the 5/32 inch drill bit provided. Pilot holes for the lower bracket only. Fasten the handrail to the lower wall bracket using the 1 inch sheet metal screws provided. Now you are ready to attach the handrail to the upper wall bracket. Mark and drill 5/32 inch pilot holes. Attach the handrail to the bracket using the 1 inch sheet metal screws and tighten the brackets to the wall. At this point, if you need additional brackets in the center, repeat the steps for attaching the brackets. Apply the bolt caps over the bolt heads. We highly recommend using a small amount of super glue or caulk inside the bolt cap to firmly secure the bolt cap to the bolt head. Note, additional fasteners may be piloted and fastened into the wall brackets for additional support. Thank you for watching this video. View our installation instructions on our website at www.wolfhandrail.com. For questions about the installation of your Wolf handrail, call 573-365-7040 or email support@wolfhandrail.com.